Alright, going up under the truck. Diego over there behind the barbecue grill.
Yeah.
You get that. There you go. There you go. It's y'all. A lot of people ask, can y'all do train horns? Of course we do train horns. That's a compressor. Hey, Steve, get the hose. Do it again. So we're about to put the compressor in and the train horn up under the truck. The black kit, of course. I think the guy wanted chrome. We're gonna be in trouble. Not really, because we're gonna make it work. But put it up under there. I'm about to take the dash apart, do the relay with the horn, make it all work. You know. Have you had your breakfast today, one?
Huh?
Have you had the cheeseburger today?
No.
All right, you healthy. Fruit and yogurt.
Hey, we're gonna put that compressor in.
Next to the train horn. You gotta check out the espresso.
The who? And the room under that?
That's blue, but the official.
Oh yeah. Now we put it in the bed. I can make the hose for the 2 wires going up. You think he'll carry the bed in the bed? You will? Well, we're about to figure things out, get it going. So we'll catch y'all in the second one when the train horn operating. And y'all know what it is. Jason on the press. We're gonna check y'all on the second one.